In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your bank account on Vagaro. In the ever-evolving world of business, flexibility is key, and for those of you using Vagaro, a platform beloved by salons, spas, and fitness centers alike, maintaining up-to-date payment information is crucial for seamless operations. Perhaps you've recently switched banks or simply want to update your billing details. Whatever the reason, changing your bank account on Vagaro is a straightforward task. And today I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth transition. First things first, navigate to Vagaro's homepage. Here you'll find a wide array of features and services, but what we're interested in is tucked away within your account. So let's get you logged in. Look towards the top right of the page and you'll see the login button. Give that a click. Many of you might be using Google to streamline your login processes across platforms, and Vagaro accommodates this preference. Once you've clicked on Login, an option to log in with Google will appear. Selecting this option brings you to a familiar screen where you'll be asked to choose the Google account you wish to use. This is particularly helpful if you manage multiple businesses or personal accounts, so make sure to select the one linked to your Vagaro profile. After successfully logging in, you'll be eager to jump straight into managing your business. To do this, find and click on the Go to My Business button. This action transports you to the dashboard, the nerve center of your operations on Vagaro, where you can manage appointments, view client information, and of course update your banking details. From here, you'll want to access the settings to make any necessary changes. Look for a link to Settings. This is where Vagaro houses all the customizable aspects of your account, including payment settings. Clicking on this will bring you closer to our goal of changing your bank account information. Inside your settings, there's a section specifically for managing how you process payments, aptly named Credit Card Processing. This section is vital for businesses managing transactions through Vagaro, ensuring clients can book and pay for services smoothly. Upon selecting Credit Card Processing, you'll be prompted to initiate changes. Look for a button labelled Get Started. This is your gateway to updating your payment information. Vagaro is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through each step with clear instructions. Following the prompt, you will find an option to charge my card. It might seem slightly confusing, but this is part of the verification process for adding a new bank account or card details. Rest assured, it's all about security and ensuring that your financial details are kept safe. The next step involves inputting your new card details. This information is crucial and must be entered accurately to avoid any issues with payment processing down the line. Take your time to double check each detail. Finally, once you've updated the necessary information, you're ready to submit your application. This might sound formal, but it's simply Vagaro's way of processing the changes you've made. Look for a button marked Submit Application, give it a click, and you're all done. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of changing your bank account on Vagaro. Remember, keeping your business information up to date is key to ensuring smooth and uninterrupted services for your clients. If you encounter any hiccups along the way, Vagaro offers comprehensive support to get you back on track. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and instructions on managing your business with ease.